Right, we are back in another beautiful sunny week in England. Not seriously, this is supposed to be the British summer. Yeah, typical. Hence the song in this video. Changed it from November to August. So yeah, we're back this week. Been a bit of a wet week in the south coast of England. We've been installing, just cracking on with our blocks. We've been screeding. Check out the video here. If you're just watching, it's not going to be there, but if you're watching in the future, it will be there. So it'll be up there. Check out that video. That's for how to screed. So yeah, we've been screeding and we've been laying the blocks this week. We've cracked on. We've moved probably about 150 square meters, laid about 150 square meters of blocks this week. Good going. Obviously, we in between time, it's like day of laying, day of screeding, couple of days laying. So yeah, we cracked on. Friday, yesterday, we did a load of snags, not really snags, but started cutting a load of blocks in, pointed in areas between the acco drains and the walls, sanded. Alex from Postmodern Construction got the rest of the sleeper beds finished around the side of the building. So yeah, awesome week. Been cracking on with Jake again, Tower View Construction, working for Postmodern Construction. Check out his handle here for his Instagram. Go like and follow his page. Check out the work we do, lead work, extensions, roofs, the whole lot, groundworks, just we cover everything. So go check it out, give us a follow, and yeah, really appreciate it. Also, leave a comment below on whether you would do things differently. Do you still use sharp sand? What do you think of us using the 6mm to dust? Just love to hear your thoughts, really. Last video got quite a few comments on it, so really appreciate that. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so come on, let's just push. I really appreciate that. It just keeps me going, keeps me making these videos. Obviously, enjoy the constructive criticism. Enjoy hearing how other people do things differently. Enjoy the fact that people can learn off these videos as well. It's awesome. But yeah, we're nearly at 1,000 subs, so please like, comment, share. Like, get this video out there. Share it. Just yeah, really appreciate it from everyone. So yeah, well, that's everything. So let's get into the video. Hope you had a good week. Hope you're having a good weekend. Peace.